Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on a new feature in Schoology called Annotation Assignments. So basically what this is a feature where you're able to assign your students an assignment where you attach a PDF, and this PDF will now have annotation tools where students can type or draw over the PDF and submit their work to you. So let me just demonstrate to you how you do this. It's really easy. And then I'm going to also, within this video, just jump in as a student so you can see what it looks like from the student perspective, and you'll have enough information to go ahead and use this with your students and classes. Okay, so I'm on a teacher's Schoology page right now, and I'm in a course that she doesn't use with her students, so I don't mess up her current classes and classwork and so forth. So make sure you select the course that you're going to add the assignment to, and then click on Add Materials, Add Assignment. Now, this feature is only available under the assignment materials. So, any other assignment like assessment, any of those pages, they don't have this new feature. So, here it is. It's the annotations assignment. So, when you title your assignment and you click on annotations assignment, it's prompting you to search and attach your PDF or TIFF or PNG or any other document that you would need to annotate over in order for the information that you need to be included on that submission for the assignment. So this I downloaded from one of our Savas products. This is a TIFF, I believe, or it's a PNG. It's an image. Okay. So this image, I'm going to click on open, and it now attaches to this assignment. I'm just going to call it Charlie Buttons. And then I want my students to complete the workbook page and submit. Now, it's important to realize that you can only attach one document at a time. So if you have multiple documents that you want, I highly suggest that you put them into a multi-page PDF file, because if you create one PDF file, it will and you choose that one PDF file, the multiple pages will upload and attach to this assignment. All right, and then you just continue on with, how you fill in the information here for your assignment like you've done so many times before, and then just click on Create. Before I do that, notice that your annotation assignment um, PDF or document attaches here, and it says students annotate their own copy, just to remind you. If you need to remove it, obviously click on the X and it'll remove. Click on Create. Okay, so now I'm going to jump in as a student so you could see. Okay, so now as a student, you're going to click Start Assignment. Okay, and now you'll see your page populates right here for the students. You're able to, I'll just quickly go over, you have some controls over here that you could choose, or a page orientation, page layout, continuous page or page by page. That's the page transition. The size, you can fit it to the page, fit it to width, change the size. So if you need to see it in a different size, you could also use these tools to make it larger or smaller. This is to pan, if you need to pan the page up and down. Depending on how you need to see it, you can select a certain part of the page. And then you have the type or draw tools here, okay, and the toolbars underneath. It's important to realize or go through these different tools with your students if they're not familiar with these tools. Um, the typing tool here. Important to see the drop down menu next to the typing tool allows you to choose your texts, just whether it's a stroke or fill, your text style, how large your font points are, bold, italicized. So all of these things are familiar tools when you're utilizing text in technology. Okay. And simply click and start to type. You're able to change the colors within here if you want to change the color of your font. Okay. Notice that you have some tools here as you're typing. You're able to do that. Click off. You're able to change the size here of your text box, and you have more tools here if once you click off and you're in the text box mode, and then you're able to go back if you needed to go back. Okay, getting back in, double clicking and continuing to type, deleting here. When you're finished, you click on submit, and the document has been submitted. You have a see more button here. This will show the directions that you put in your assignment. There's menu option here to download print, or if there's student needs to see it in a different mode, they can search here and you're able to see it in full screen. Okay. Bottom left-hand side is clear all if they need to clear all and start all over. This will automatically be saved as students type, so work will not be lost in time. They can always come back before they submit. You go back. Okay, now they still have a draft because I didn't submit, but they can come back and edit their draft and continue working at a later time. Their work is still there. All right, so this has been a video on how to use the annotation tool, new feature in Schoology when you are creating an assignment that has a document where students need to write over, type, write, draw. All right, I hope this helps, guys. Have a great day.